Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering the essentials: active Printify, Shopify, and eBay seller accounts. Once signed in, verify payment methods, tax ID, and default shipping zones so orders won't stall. Next, install the Printify app from Shopify's App Store and grant required permissions. This is the bridge that lets Printify push products into Shopify. Make sure SKUs and product titles are consistent now, because those identifiers are how Shopify will later map listings to eBay. Once products are designed in Printify, pick print providers, set wholesale and retail pricing, and assign clear SKUs. Then publish each product to your Shopify store, double-check images, descriptions, variants, and that SKUs match exactly. After your Shopify catalog is populated, install and set up Shopify's eBay channel or an approved eBay connector app. Configure shipping profiles, return policies, and business info in the connector so Shopify can create compliant eBay listings. Now map Shopify products to eBay categories, review listing settings like condition and item specifics, then publish. Once live, place a low-cost test order to confirm the full flow. eBay sales Shopify order Printify fulfillment. Monitor the order status, tracking updates and notifications. If anything goes wrong, first check that SKUs match across systems, that API tokens and app permissions are active, and that shipping profiles align. Those are the single biggest causes of failed syncs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.